People of the Purple Butterfly here, otherwise known as People7 on Twitter and YouTube, people elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at purplebutterfly-people.blogspot.com. My soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, could be located at people.etsy.com. My t-shirt designs, purplebutterfly-people.tmail.com. And I'm revisiting an old friend with a different brand. I used to have a Conair braider, so for it makes twists instead of braids. Well, now I have a different one. This is called Twist Secret by, hold on, okay, that's in French. Okay, FightArt electric, batteries not included. Oh, it says it includes batteries. It had no batteries in it. But anyway, I'm going to show you why these things are so fascinating to me. You push one to lift it up. You push the other one, lift it up. That way you have some place to attach the hair. Bring that down to the edge. Bring this one down to the edge. Then push it up. So that twist it, as you can tell. Don't get it too far in, because otherwise, if the hair is all the way out here, it's going to get snagged. So just do the twisting. Then that's pushing it up, and it twists, okay? Then you push it down, and it twists the entire strand by turning the whole thing around. Now, when Conair came out with this, they called it a braider. Now they have a new one called the Quick Twist, and apparently they're missing a step. So when you buy the Quick Twist, you have this part where you can anchor the hair, and then it does the twist, and then they making you turn it manually. How dumb is that when these things have been out for years and twist itself? I know that because I own two. I had the braider, the original one that had 2 prongs, and then I had one that had 3 prongs. They make these things with as many as 4 prongs. So why would you have to manually twist when you could just buy one that does the twisting for you? This is the way I used to do it. I used to grab it right here, push those up at the same time, because I had skills that way. Slide it down. Then the directions, this is twist, this is rotate. I'm going to show you how that works. So first you twist, and this is going slow, by the way, because I took some batteries from my remote controls because there's no batteries in the house, and the package said batteries included and there was no batteries with it. So you do what you do, okay? So now, as you can tell, I'm twisting, or as we used to say, tensioning. That's the purpose of the twisting. And then instead of rotating the whole thing like that, you just push the button down. So a friend of mine had a review of the Quick Twist, and it was like, oh, now you twist the whole thing around. I'm like, why would you do that? It has a button where it goes the opposite direction and rotates the whole thing. And then I was informed, no, it doesn't. This is the way most systems work, but that's not the way that particular product works. And I'm like, really? In other words, they're charging people extra money to do half the job that these things do. I mean, this was only 10 bucks. The other one I had was only 15 bucks, and I've had one that was 20 bucks. But it does all the spinning and everything for you. Now, every now and then, you get it tangled, and there's a way around that too. First, you have to put your finger in there, open it up, slide it off, and then manually detangle. And even at that, you know, that's right at the very end of your hair, so you just literally clip the ends like trimming the ends, or you can just take your comb, there we go. But it makes perfect twists, see, which is, and I always like to take it loose. I'm weird that way. There you go. But just now you can see how these work. Now, so if you ever get a twister, make sure you get the kind that has two dials. One for tensioning, one for rotating. So it will go like this. You notice the only thing that's moving is the top there. And then when you push it down, the whole thing rotates. And that's what twists the hair. The ones that got 3 strands, they call it a braider, but it's not going in and out, over and under as a braid would. It's just doing 3 strand twists. It is not braiding. Well, technically, anything that binds the hair would be considered a braid, but technically that's a twist. A braid is 1, 2, around and under. So, you know, as someone that braids hair, I could tell you, just twisting is not braiding. There's a big old difference. Anyway, just thought I'd share that. This has been People7 on Twitter and YouTube. People are elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at purplebutterfly-people.blogspot.com. My soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, could be located at people.etsy.com. And my t-shirt designs, purplebutterfly-people.tmail.com. Y'all stay blessed, stay tuned. But anyway, this is the diagram. Now, when you get one of these, make sure you get the kind that rotates. Otherwise, you're wasting your money. If it's just twisting at the top or tensioning right here, and then making you do this, you're paying more money for less product. I mean, this one, as you could tell, it does both jobs. It does the tensioning and it does the rotating, so that way your hair gets the twisting that it needs without you having to rotate and try to maintain a tension by hand when you can just go I could do my whole head in less than 20 minutes because this goes both directions. Well, actually it'll be closer to 30 minutes because these are old batteries, but if you put new batteries in there, literally you can do your whole head, small twist, all over it, 20 minutes flat. Y'all stay blessed, stay tuned. Bye now. People7.